So this, believe it or not, is part of the old town. By day, obviously. And there's a little beach there, right along the front. Very popular. That building there, as you can see, is made to look like a ship. Restaurants below and apartments above. Looks lush, doesn't it? And then you can sit in there, look. Looking all around there. Guys on the beach doing the sand things. Amazing. So there is a lot going on. So we're just looking back at the same beach now, and right by the Barracuda bar, cocktail bar. Looking across towards the harbour there. Lush looking water, absolutely lush looking water. People swimming, kite surfing, supping, windsurfing, you name it, people are doing it. And these little beaches on the front there, they are tiny little beaches, as you can see. There are loads, really popular. So literally hundreds of places to eat down here, as you can imagine. So if you didn't get in one, you'd get in another. Absolutely hundreds. So yeah, don't fret on that score. Just coming along at the very bottom now. Just walked around past the harbour. Just bars everywhere. And that one there, Rogues Gallery, is absolutely brilliant. They have live Irish folk music in there 2 or 3 times a week. Certainly on a Sunday between 4 and 6 they do. One thing to be aware of is that a lot of places, Rogues Gallery is one, only take cash. So they don't take cards. That's to try and avoid the extra charges. So yeah, only cash. There are about 1 million ATMs around Corralejo, so you shouldn't have a problem getting any. This is right down the bottom of the old town now, as you can see. The restaurant's open, of course, but really this sort of area comes to life for the evening trade, really. But yeah, I'll stay with you. As you can see, just about every little street has bars and restaurants. There is a bit of a bit the other side on the front, which was very nice. Some of these places are really busy, as you know. Everyone looks busy. It's probably attracts people that are looking for somewhere. So that's sort of a knock-on effect, as you can see there. Nobody. So this area we're just coming into now is called Music Square. Don't know how it's developed, but obviously it gets its name from the fact that it's a square. And straight ahead there, where that tree is, you get bands. So it's quite a very popular place in the evening to have a meal, because you get bands on that stage there. Usually kick off, I think, sort of later on, so probably after 8 o'clock. But if you wanted a meal here, it's definitely worth booking in good time, to be fair. later on this place will be buzzing. So just carrying on past Music Square now. There's Music Square behind us. You're kind of heading out of the old town really. And as you can see in front there, there's the bottom of the strip, the main strip. Funny old thing, right behind this building here is a fuel station. Yeah, if you come to this area, it doesn't matter what you forgot, or what you didn't bring, or what you need, you'll get it. Bike hire, car hire, everything hire. 2 fuel stations, all on the main strip. ATMs, restaurants, cafes, ice cream parlours, bookies, bars, you name it, and it's all here. Yeah, so there you go. It's almost like a transition between Old Town and New Town, this sort of area. And there's your fuel station. But I'll just walk you down to the front here. I'll say evening meals hugely popular over here, as they are everywhere. To come and sit down in the evening, have a bit of music played to you, or come and sit with the ocean view. Just incredible, absolutely stunning. There we go, right down to the front, where again there's a huge amount of eateries and that sort of thing. Don't all open during the day, as I said, but certainly all open at night. So this is just walking around from Music Square, the main bit now. And there you go, opposite the waterfall, you've got more music. So yeah, just looking back across the front there, well, part of the front, bends in and bends out and all that sort of stuff. Loads and loads of restaurants, as I said. And you can walk all the way along here. Beautiful outlook. As you get around the corner there, the path kind of disappears onto the beach, so you're then walking on the beach. But you can walk a fair way, as you can see, on the beach. I've tried it once and I had to come sort of inland a bit, I think. So I'm not sure that you can literally walk all the way around there to the big beaches. You know, the big kite beach where they have all that event every year. But yeah, nice, absolutely lovely, isn't it? Sitting there and having your evening meal looking at this.